are some tips for good vocal hygiene? The best, gargle with salt water. Very, very salty and as warm as you can manage. You're going to gargle for 1 minute every hour for 4 hours, and then you want to take a break because too much salt, like we mentioned earlier, can have an adverse effect and begin to dry out the throat. Fluids, fluids, fluids. Room temp water, warm herbal teas. Armaforce, obviously I cannot prescribe, but I do know that when I'm down, it's a huge help for my immune system. Ginger, honey, and lemon. You can reduce this to a thicker liquid and then take it by the teaspoon. It's going to coat your throat nicely. Or you can add it to your room temp water and sip it through the day. And the next thing is a vapor steamer. It is fantastic for rehydrating the throat. You can find these at a chemist or pharmacy or online. The best and most important thing, you guys, is a total vocal timeout. Every day, you need to have a vocal nap. Also, you can use a mic. So this is going to be great for your volume issue at work. However, you will still fatigue when you're talking in a performative way. So all the other rules that we're talking about still apply. And then look out for your environment. Is there loud music or air conditioners? What can you do to avoid talking over those things? Think about additional ways that you could cue. So can you use physical cues, written cues? Can you clap? Consider the health of the whole body system. This will help promote your vocal health. And your posture. Poor posture restricts your breathing, which restricts your voice. It's like a collapsing building. If problems do persist, see a speech path or an ENT. And listen to your body's cues. It's going to tell you, always. And always, 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 finish your day with a vocal warm down, bringing yourself back to the hum. Warm up, warm down.